Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the internet computer family. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support on the channel. Let's take a look at, what's happening and, what we could be expecting for internet computer as we are going into Monday morning. So as far as, closing out this day of Sunday, market is picking up. But with that being said, this is not a time to be getting overly excited or jumping around because of the fact that, FOMC meeting is this way. Not this way, this week, and the G7 summit is also taking place. So we could see market volatility. That's something we need to be aware of. But today, of course, we are seeing some green, so which we'll definitely take. ICP up 4.5% with the price currently sitting at $5.59. It's actually kind of off on CoinGecko, but when I pull out the charts, we'll really see the real numbers. Also up about 3% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, $3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $67.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I did mention this in my other update. Look at the way the dominance has plummeted in just the last 24 hours, from 65% down to 64.64%. When you take a look at it on an hourly perspective, you could really see how big of a deal this really is, because from June 13th, we also saw that decrease, but not this sharply. Not this sharply, because we did come down to the 64.7%. We went up and then pulled down. But for us since yesterday, it's just been a straight down, which of course has really played positively for the broader market, because of the fact that Bitcoin also pushed towards the upside, still below the 106,800 key resistance. Very important level to be back above, as we know. But the fact that we did see a little bit of a bounce for Bitcoin while dominance did pull down, that is the reason why we're seeing altcoins really having a nice day right now. But if you're looking at internet computer here, guys, internet computer here is obviously down a little bit compared to our June 11th high. Again, this level, we haven't retested pretty much since March of this year. So it's been quite some time since the last time, we were at that range. But we did see a retracement of about 16% over the course of the last few days, as we did see some market volatility. But you're looking at internet computer picking up once again. As you can see right in front of us, we do have some resistance coming in our way for internet computer, as we can see for ourselves. Sorry. Talking too fast. But if this resistance is able to break out, we could reclaim back above the June level, high very, very fast. That itself is only about an 11% move towards the upside. Let's say dominance continues to pull and BTC does push back above 106,800. I personally think a new monthly high for internet computer could be in play, taking us back up to the likes of the $6.82, potentially even that around that $7.37 level quite fast. And of course, that pretty much sets us up to head back up to that major key resistance I've been talking to you guys about at that $10. That would be quite something. But right now, yes, we did see a retracement, but pretty much since April, we are still in this upward trajectory, which again is something that I don't want you guys to overlook when you're analyzing internet computer. Right now we are in this upward trend, and that has not been invalidated, and this is something I don't want you guys to ignore. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where do you see the price of ICP going? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.